Okay, so we are back on. Look at my face. Okay, we're back on, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for those who came to my live. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming to watch. And if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments. And you can even comment on any video that I've done. And then as soon as I see it, I'll make sure that I address that question. I was cut off my connection. I don't know what happened to my connection. I was cut off, so that's why I I went off live without saying goodbye. But yeah, so I was answering a question on protective styles, and I was saying, okay, there is no time or there's no period that you can say, okay, this is the most that you can stay with a protective style. You can stay with a protective style for example, braids, as long as you can, as long as the sections are not too small, such that at the end of say 2 months, which is like eight weeks, your hair, your braids are holding on to very few hairs, such that it becomes too heavy for the hair, or it weighs the hair down. So in the end, you need to take them out before that happens. But if your sections are big enough and they can hold the hair, well, even 3 months, you can do it, as long as there's not too much build-up. So use the correct products so that there's not too much build-up on your braids, so that detangling after taking out those braids is not a nightmare. And also make sure you take care of your hair whilst it's in that protective style. That's basically what I can say when it comes to protective styles and the length that you can keep a protective style in for. And then someone said, please, can you expand a little bit more on, and now already says, your video resolution is very low because of the internet, your connection. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, and then when it comes to protective styling, well, there are lots and lots of types of protective styling that if I go into it now, it will take a very long time for me to go deeper. But you can go to my blog. It's called naturalsisters.co.za. Then you can read more about protective styling. But we are going to talk about protective styling on this channel, on this platform, and it's going to be a live. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that you can actually see and hit the notification button, of course, so that you are notified when I go on live and bring this information to you. I want to make sure that this platform is as educational as possible, and it brings real value to you guys, besides just coming here to say, hey, what's up, how are you doing, and how is your Sunday going, anything, yeah. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. I think we have come to the end of this live stream. It was quite an experience, an eye opener. I had glitches at the beginning, but yeah, I got the hang of it. And you guys, thank you for your patience, for bearing with me, and thank you so much. Spread the word. Here is where we come to learn about our hair and what we can do with it, and the styling and all that kind of stuff. So tell your friends and tell your family about this channel. Oh my goodness, there's a meme, I think it's a TikTok thinking about tell your friends, tell your family, it's gonna be fun. Subscribe. Goodness. Okay, yeah, so you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate your subscriptions. I appreciate your comments and just showing up to be on my live, so that we can chat and talk about this hair of ours and other things as well. I hope to bring other things in my experience in this life, that in this journey that we call life, actually. So I look forward to these Sunday afternoon chats. Let me know what you want me to cover, and I hope to see you in the next live stream. And I'm also still going to be posting I'm still going to be posting content on my YouTube channel, definitely, like recorded content where I do a voiceover and all that kind of thing. It's a lot of work, but I am willing to do it because it's something that I've been doing for a very long time. It's something that I can't just say, hey, I'm gonna stop, because it actually does bring joy to me. It brings fulfillment because it's something that I enjoy doing. As much as it's a lot of work, and I cannot churn out as much content as I would love to churn out. I can't do it because of time constraints, but I'll try and make sure that I give you value, I give you content, and yeah, just keep those comments coming and keep watching. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next live. God bless you. Bye. Oh my goodness, I was about to go off. And then now here it says, I love protective style. It's what makes my hair grow. Oh, thank you. And okay, let's not struggle here. Let's use these glasses. They're there for a reason. And Nambenjeri says that. And then there is Karin. My end is so dry and hard even after I have trimmed my hair. And I'm natural for 2 years and don't use heat or dye my hair. Okay, so sometimes it's mainly the products that you are using on your hair, and you may want to switch those a little bit so that you can actually find something that your hair agrees with. And sometimes also the number of times that you're washing and what you're using for washing, because sometimes it's because of product buildup that may cause your hair to become so dry at the ends. Sometimes it's just trimmed split ends that need to go away, to the splitting hair that needs to be trimmed. Oh my goodness, I'm tripping on my words. That needs to be trimmed. So yeah, you may actually just go to a stylist that can help you with trimming your ends, or just assessing the hair so that you know what the problem is. And then Ambenjeri says, I am a true testimony. My hair is 36 centimeters, you see, because of protective styles. Exactly. Protective styles are the bomb.com. Even my hair, it thrives a lot when I do protective styles, because when I have my hair out, I have, what do you call that syndrome? Hand in hair syndrome. Like, I try so many hairstyles, you guys, it's not even healthy. So yeah, sometimes I just put it away so that I don't have to be combing and brushing and styling and all that kind of stuff. And then Tendai Zinoshike says, I've learned a lot, looking forward to the next live. Thanks. Oh, you are so welcome, Tendai, and thank you so much for being there through it all. I was seeing your comments, and thank you so much for turning up. And then there's Blessing Ahmed says, greetings. Hey, greetings, Blessing. Thank you so much for coming through. Nambenjeri says, thanks so much. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I don't know. I don't know. When I was choosing a career, teaching wasn't even one of them. I did some temporary teaching when I was back in Zimbabwe. I grew up in Zimbabwe, actually. So I did a little bit of temporary teaching, which I'm gonna share in when you ask me questions about knowing me better. But yeah, I never thought I would teach, but yeah, here I am. Teaching, and I love it. And then there's Blessing Amaze. I learned how to make needle and yarn from you. Oh, that's great. Thank you. Thank you for mentioning that. I have some contents too about your hairstyle. Oh, great. I can't wait to see it. I'll try and look for your channel. I'll take a note here, and then I'll try and look for your channel so that I can see the content. And then Tendai she says, me too, what Blessing said. Okay, that's nice. Then Ame says, needle and yarn is now my favorite protective style for my daughter. That's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you for saying that. And then B Victoria says, can people with thin hair use the yarn method? Yes. they can, and you just need to add a little bit of more yarn if you want it to be bulky, but you can still do that without having to add more yarn, especially if you are comfortable with the volume or the appearance of the needle and yarn after you have used only yarn and no hair extensions to bulk it up. So yes, you can do definitely that. And the fact that the needle and yarn method is not too, it's not a hectic method to style hair. It's, you don't have to pull, you don't have to tighten, you don't, so it's not going to damage your hair. And in as much as you have a protective style, your scalp and also your hair is accessible for you to spritz or to spray on it so that it stays moisturized. And then Karine Paul says, thank you, I will do that. Okay. You know what? When I came live the second time, because I had been cut off because of my connection, I didn't think I was going to stay this long, because I was just coming to say, hey, you guys, thank you so much for coming through to watch and to stream with me. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys. It's amazing, the response that I'm getting from you as well, the comments, the chats. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. It's Blessing a message. It's very simple and doesn't put tension on the scalp. Indeed. And it's a very good protective style. Yeah, thank you. So I'm gonna go now. I know I can stay here forever. I can talk forever as well. Like, hey, if I think I should have chosen a career where I'm paid for talking. But yeah, I can talk forever. So I'm going to go now. Thank you so much for watching, for coming for my stream. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so, so much. And may God bless you and yours abundantly, big time. Like, may God bless you big time, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Again, for the second time. Bye.